In this lesson, you will modify a commercial toilet family. You will add piping connectors to a wall-hosted toilet family and set typical connector properties for domestic cold water and sanitary systems. Click the menu browser and select Open. And from the Training Files Imperial Family Editor folder, open the file Commercial Toilet Wall Mount Flush Valve. The toilet is a wall-hosted component, and the extrusion that represents the wall is visible. But since we will be working at the back of the toilet, we must hide the wall in the view. Select the wall, and on the View control bar, click Temporary Hide Isolate, and then click Hide Element. Then, use the View cube in the upper right corner of the view with a combination of the Shift key and the right mouse button to orient the model as shown. Then, from the Connectors panel, click Pipe Connector. On the Options bar, for System Type, select Sanitary. Then, zoom in and move the cursor over the round extrusion at the back of the toilet and click to add the connector. Click Modify and select the connector. And if the arrow is pointing toward the toilet bowl, click the flip arrow so that the connector direction is pointing away from the bowl. The arrow indicates the connector direction and not the flow direction. The connector direction determines the direction from which it will accept connections from other components. Click Element Properties and change Flow Configuration to Fixture Units and Flow Direction to Out, and select Allow Slope Adjustments, and for Fixture Units enter 4, and for Radius enter 1.5 inches and click OK. Then clear the selection and using the same method add a domestic cold water system piping connector at the location shown and go to its instance properties and change flow direction to in, flow configuration to fixture units, and make sure allow slope adjustments is cleared, and for fixture units enter 2.5, and for radius enter 3/4 inch and click OK. Then click the menu browser and move to Save As and select Family and navigate to a location of your choice and name the family Toilet Commercial Wall Mount Flush Valve. Next, we load the toilet family into a project. Click the menu browser and select Open, and from the Training Files Imperial Family Editor folder, open the file Sample Project. Then click the View tab, and from the Windows panel, click Switch Windows and switch to the toilet family. Then click Load into Project and pack in the sample project file in the project browser under Views, Mechanical, expand Plumbing, and under Floor Plans, open the view 1 Plumbing. Then click the Home tab, and from the Plumbing and Piping panel, click Plumbing Fixture and note the current type, and then place the toilet on any wall. Then click Modify and select the toilet and right-click a pipe connector, and then click Draw Pipe and verify that the connector works as expected. Press Escape and then close the file without saving it, as that concludes this lesson.